Also welcome and everybody welcome to this voice chat, and we are just going to start our actual what is the updates of JAA lifestyle, and also we have the leaders from uh, Karnataka, Mr. Athas Saab. He's also there, be with us, and several leaders are also there. Subrajit from Kendrapada, Odisha, and we have Dipra from Marsahai, and several leaders are there. So let me, okay, somebody want to speak. Muhammad Fayyaz, do you want to say something?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Leaders.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Mohammad Fayyad from Bihar.
Yes. You want to say something?
Very nice, sir. J Lifestyle company is powerful or good. आणि international leaders. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your words. Okay. Let me start. Okay. Let me start from the beginning. Since May 2020, we are just going to the renegotiated target of our advertising agency of 3 million members. We were just achieving. We are just going to achieve that target since May 2020, and after or the founder member, the founder owner, you can say, the Mr. Alex, he have perceived, yes, we are definitely going to achieve this target within 2 to 4 months, but unfortunately it didn't happen. And for that, to achieve that target, they introduced a sponsorship pack for all the members. Those who are interested, they have to purchase some sponsorship packs, so that these sponsorship packs will be the referral income. This will be the extra income again by these members, but the responsibility will be taken by the advertising agency. And after that, in November 2020, in the international meeting, Mr. Alex said that we are definitely going to launch in November, last of November of 2020. But still, then it is still unfortunate we didn't get all this target. So after that, it takes a long 6 months to achieve this 3 million countdown. It's almost at 9th of June 2021 we achieved this target. And for this, as we got information from the newsletter, the previous advertising agency was taken back his hand, because we didn't get all these targets according to the stipulated the target, you can say, the November 2020, it should be achieved, but it didn't happen. So after that, there are several members. They have been asking. Yes, we have been informed by our great leaders that you have to, whenever they are delivering the plans, the income plans of JAA Lifestyle, they were saying that after the 3 million countdown, we are definitely going to have our real ads. But let me tell you, this can only happen if our users already there in the system. That means, for example, if we are setting a shop or a cafe or something else, we are not installing this in forest. We are just setting it up in a town or market. That means where there is a traffic, we are going to that site. We are setting a business establishment. That means for this, in the case of JAA Lifestyle, there was a need of registration of all the members all over the world, and they are supposed to get registered first, and after that, the advertising companies are going to be registered in EHA. That in the meantime, what happened after the advertising agency who got back his sign from this system, then the investor of JAA Lifestyle, they introduced EHA, and this EHA is responsible for giving or showing advertising to the members of JAA Lifestyle. It needs time. Let me inform you, most of the members asking why it is so late. Is there no any advertising company in EHA? Why we have been misguided? Why we have been given a misinformation, a wrong information at that time? No, that was a good information. We are certainly we are supposed to achieve that target within stipulated time, but unfortunately, it didn't happen. We are the member of JAA Lifestyle. It is let me inform you again that we are only 2 million KYC verified member, which is not our stipulated 3 million countdown of KYC. Because of the sponsorship pack, it achieved this much, and we have been informed by our leaders by our newsletter that yes, we are 15 million people who are registered in JAA Lifestyle, and out of that, what we got information from the international meeting that we are only 2 million KYC verified. That means personal verified member. So it is now. Now the time is now the ball. You can say the ball is in the court of EHA. So we have to be patient. Why? The reason is that as we completed all our targets of members, now they are completing their targets of their own. The targets of joining advertising companies in their system. The targets of joining the huge advertising company, because we are 15 million already, and we are going to achieve this as our long-term objective of JAA Lifestyle is up to join 1 billion customer, 1 billion members across world, and above that we are going to achieve. But still, then, as we achieve all this thing, the 3 million above personal verified member. But now it is the necessity part of the advertising EHA to get all this advertising agency in its system. But for that, they are doing work. They have been doing work relentlessly day and night. And let me inform you, as the newsletter suggested, they are doing work in a 4 directions. The first direction is they have already advertising agency of their own. Second is their sales team. They are doing great work for that. And the third is they have the international collaboration with the big advertising agencies, and they are doing, they are just making their thing. And the fourth is we are the members. They have assured, they have informed us, if you are getting any advertising company to this system, then you will be entitled with the 10% commission. That is advertising commission. Advertising, you can say advertiser commission. So all this thing is happening, and as the newsletter suggested, that thousands of companies they have been uploaded, and these thousands of companies are not enough for all of us. There is still requirement of more advertising companies. They need to be registered in EHA. So EHA is looking for great advertising agency, and the last newsletter I suggested, they have the fabulous deal with a great provider, and which is in Europe. As the newsletter suggested that in Europe this is the summer vacation. So from 13th of September they are going to register all the advertising companies in this system, and who are going to show us tremendous ad. And along with that, we have several information from the beginning. We have to. I want to inform all of you that we have to go through only newsletter. Whoever the leaders, the leaders or you can say members who have been saying the dates of real ads are not correct. We have to watch only our newsletter. I can inform you this newsletter itself is our a great leader. Whatever is written in the newsletter, that we should obey that only. We are not, we will be not getting any information apart from the newsletter. And that the newsletter is the good source of all the information. As the newsletter suggested, that 13th September, so many members have been asking, yes, will there any start of the advertising program in 13th of September? No. The newsletter itself suggested after the summer vacation, all the advertising companies, they are going to register in this system. They are going to upload their campaign in the system. They are going to funding to the EHA. So we should not expect that real ad definitely should come in the 13th of September. No, it will take some time. And apart from that, there are several offers are there. Since June of 9th, there was a great newsletter that everybody will get the benefit of real ad view. That means everybody can get the income from the real ad views. Even a free member, they are entitled to 350 euro of self ad view and the 250 euro of referral ad view from each member of from its referral. So all these things are a great news in that days. And after that, there was so many newsletters. They have been saying that you will be getting one referral. Free member will be getting one referral. Whoever sign up at JAA Lifestyle and register in EHA, and after that he or she watches ad. And the second is, if a personal verified member, if a member is joining to the JAA Lifestyle and doing the personal verification, then definitely you will be getting 3 referrals out of that. So apart from that, again a newsletter came and it suggested that whoever the free member, they have been watching ads and doing the PV, they will be they are supposed to get the 6-month period to upgrade their 350 euro to 1000 euro. It got invalid. That means we have the recent newsletter up to 31st of August 2021. We are whoever done the personal verification, whoever doing the personal verification are going to get income of 1000 euro current potential income. Irrespective of its grace period, it will be invalid. That means you will be all in business class. That means whoever doing the PV or done PV, they are all business class. They will not be given any opportunity to 6 month of opportunity to upgrade its 350 to 1000 euro. So it's a great news. And apart from that, we are going to get all our sponsorship back until the 31st of August 2021. So we should all get benefit from this sponsorship pack also. And apart from that, they have introduced a combo pack of 50 euro, that is activation voucher. And we are all the members who are activating their lifestyle bonus account, they are going to get 4 magazines, 4 lifestyle magazines and 1 PV voucher and 5 sponsorship pack from EHA. So this is that was a good news. And another information from the company, that whoever doing the activation voucher before the 7th level, before it's 7 levels, member of 7 levels, then he is going to get commission from the 7th level. If the 7th level members, if it's 7 downline members are doing activation before the top member, then definitely the top member will not be getting any commission from these members. That was a great news. Let me go through that newsletter. Yes, here is the newsletter. And yes, please read this carefully. You need to activate your lifestyle account before you will start receiving commission from members activating their accounts in your 7-level personal lifestyle. team. If you activate after they have activated their account, you will miss out the commission from them for the current month. That means it is a terms and condition put by EHA, so we have to obey this rule. And this company EHA, it is written, we will be extending the free PV offers deadline date from 16th of August 2021 to Friday 20th of August, and after that it was again updated to 13th of September. No, it's 31st of August 2021. They have upgraded all this thing. And extra bonus, as an extra bonus, he has agreed to give every personal verified member as well as those who will do PV plus sponsor 3 new PV verified members from now until Monday 13th of September are eligible to earn a maximum of €1,500 per annum in the first year. Since the advertising sponsorship package will be stopped from Tuesday 31st of August 2021, this is a welcome offer for all to earn up to $1,500 per annum as direct and referral advertising bonus in the first year. That means whoever doing PV from 21st of August until the 13th of September 2021, and along with his PV, if he is making a PV of its 3 referral, then his current potential income will be updated from €1,000 to 1,500. This is a great offer from the company. And along with this, a great issue is going on, that is about the negativity in the social media. It is clearly written. Unfortunately, due to the currents yes, EHA has been working on this for more than a month as the fabulous deal with a large advertising company. However, due to all the negative posts and comments on the internet by our unnecessarily agitated members, especially in the social media space, it has taken this long to get the side advertising company to agree to get their clients to advertise on the EHA platform. This means it is written agitated members, but what I think personally, they may be our competitors, they may be outsider of JAA Lifestyle. Maybe it is written agitated members from inside the JAA Lifestyle. We urge all the members, those who are speaking negative, please be calm. We are in the period of real ads. We have to convey all our members in our downline. We are in the real ad period. Our EHA has assured us. EHA has assured to have to give our current potential income within a year. It is our duty to be relaxed and to watch ad on regular basis, no matter when the real ad will come. Here is the thing is that as EHA assured us that yes, we are going to give all this current potential income to all our members. So definitely it will. They are just spreading. The members have been spreading the rumors that yes, we have been misguided by the company. No, we are in the real direction. We are in the good direction. We are in a positive direction. The company is doing its best, and we should calm, and we should make our members calm, because you see, whenever a startup company, if it is doing some work, if it is coming with a project, it should go in a you can say in a hidden basis. You can say nobody should understand, nobody should listen to them, nobody should you can say. They shouldn't get any information about that e-commerce company or any startup company. But here what happened, we are the members, we are already in this system. So if something due to our negligence, due to our misinformation from the leaders, from the other sources, we are just given information that yes, after the 3 million achievement of our achievement of our members, the renegotiated achievement of 3 million members, we are definitely going to get our real ads. But yes, for that it needs time. We have to bear that. If we are spreading rumors or hoax in the social media, it will affect all the advertisers who are coming, who wants to come to EHA. This will have a negative impact on them. And we should, if we are not a positive, we should be a neutral one, because it is all our business. As I described earlier, the ball is in the court of EHA. Then also it is our you can say it is our duty to support EHA and JAA lifestyle, because we are all one in the system. There is a symbiosis relationship between us. You might have informed earlier, as we benefactor program, people empowering people. This is the same case here. We are empowering others. Yes, it is taking some time, but it will definitely work, and we'll be getting a best result out of it. So we have to be calm, and that's it from my side. And I would like to request Sila ma'am from Malaysia. Ma'am, please unmute, and if you have some words, please, ma'am.
Hi, Samantha. I would like to welcome my new friend, Madam Angeline from Malaysia too. She's very happy to be here with us. Shall I ask her to say a few words as well? Hello, Samantha. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. Now you are audible.
Okay, let's welcome Madam Angeline, my good friend also. She's one of the best leader in Malaysia. And also not forgetting Madam Shrika, who has been very supportive with us. And Madam Angelina, would you like to say a few words, please?
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Angelina, Victor, ma'am. Welcome. You have been unmuted. Please, ma'am. Welcome. I have unmuted her.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
You are audible.
Right. Good evening to you, Sumanta, and good evening to all the members in the group. I'm really pleased to hear that you speak so well, that you are indeed a good and a great leader. So I think all the members with you, they should be very happy to have you as a leader. And I also would like to thank Sheila Madam for inviting me first time today to your meeting. So let us all work together. Let us with one positive mind work together, support one another so that this EHA in Ya Lifestyle will be a success very, very soon. May God bless each and every one of us in this program. Thank you, Sumanta.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for joining, and thank you very much for your words. Welcome, Sila, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Well, I always say we have to have a big faith and patience and trust Ya Lifestyle in EHA. It's not going to let anyone, it's not going to let us down. So we just we just follow the company, and definitely we will make the money, okay? And don't think negative. Thank you, Sumanta. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for listening. And shall I pass? You can call
Yes.
Madam.
Thank you, Sila, ma'am. May I request Srika, ma'am, to have few words about the updates of JAA Lifestyle. Over to you, Srika, ma'am.
Thank you, Sumanta ji. I'm as well as all others So I'm also excited, waiting for the good news. Everything will be happening soon. We just have to be patient, and then all good things will come to all of us. Thank you. I'm glad I'm here.
Thank you very much. I would like to request, we have Rakesh sir from Bangalore.
Samantha, can I interrupt? I've called
Yeah.
Mudase from Nigeria, and Bill Yamuni and Mr. Buhari is also here. I would like to welcome all my friends
Okay.
from
Okay, ma'am.
Nigeria. And if I'm not sure if they are there, but just greet them, please. Thank you.
Please name, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Samantha.
What is their name? Mudasir Mana?
Are you here, Mudasir?
Mudasir, yes. Mudasir Mana, please welcome to this voice chat and please unmute yourself. Mudasir Mana.
Hello, good evening. It is morning in Nigeria. Just
Good.
9.
Yeah.
First and foremost, I would like to extend my appreciation to Sheila, a good friend, and she is a good to go. In Nigeria, that's what we say. The woman, she is gentle. I also like the presenter who made a presentation.
Yeah, my name is Sumanta. My name is Sumanta Palai.
Samantha, okay. I'm Mudasiru from Nigeria, Sokoto state of Nigeria, one of the states in Nigeria, one of the volunteer of Jar Lifestyle. I really appreciate your presentation and also to be part of this meeting. I had a lot of things, and I want to assure you that we all believe that Jar Lifestyle is legit. But what most of our people are contemplating in my region is that when the real art will start. I also appreciate, please, or gladly happy to hear that 13 September it will not be a day that the real art will begin. So as a result of this, we'll pass this information to our people that 13 September it is not a day that the real art will start, because what our people are desperate or are waiting for is when the real art will start. So we'll inform them, we'll pass this information to them that 13 September is not a day that the real art will start. So they let them keep patient. And furthermore, in our side, we are doing a lot of prayer, because prayer is the key to success. It's prayer that brought us here. We are doing it almost every week. Though both Christian and Muslim, we are praying to ensure that Jar Lifestyle succeed. Lastly, without taking your time, we all believe and agree that appointing Mr. Aaron Sentia as a chief operation officer of Jar Lifestyle is a success, because being there, he has done a lot of things, and he's still doing it, because he is there to protect the interests of Jar Lifestyle globally, not only himself, not only the company. He is in interest of people. We know that, and we are aware of that. We are also pleased we can extend our regard to him for his tireless service and tireless work for the humanity, because he had the same vision with the Jar Lifestyle company in empowering people to be financial freedom. So we thank you very much for that, and may God bless you all, and may we see a day that a real art will begin, and we'll enjoy it all to the humanity. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mudasir ji.
Hello. Good afternoon, Samantha.
Very much.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon, Jitendra Thakur from Delhi. Welcome.
Yeah, I am Jiten Thakur. I am speaking from Delhi, and I would like to say some things to all of my national and international friends. First of all, I say hello to all. I hope everybody is fine. Sir, when we are about to touch the sky, and ready to see our dream, that will come true very soon. We all have to be united and show our positive attitude with 100% insurance to keep our Ja lifestyle on the top of the world, sir. We have to be positive. We have to be focused. That's the only thing I want to say. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you very much, Jitendra Thakur from Delhi. Sheila ma'am, is there any leader from Nigeria?
I'm not sure. Please ask anyone. to talk.
Raju Jangra, are you from outside of India? Raju Jangra.
Yes, sir. I'm from India.
Okay. From which
Hello.
state? From which state?
Haryana, sir. Haryana.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
If now we will start a question answer session. If anybody having any questions, please raise your hand, or you can unmute yourself and put your questions. And till then, I would like to request Rakesh sir from Bangalore to have some words about JAA lifestyle updates. Rakesh sir, are you free? Over to you.
Thank you,
Rakesh sir
Sumanta, sir.
from Bangalore.
Thank
Okay,
you,
welcome sir.
Thank you, and hi to everybody. After so long time, we are doing this English session. Sumanta,
Yes.
and thanks, Hila ma'am, to join, because after a long time we are hearing your voice. It's actually because I think Sumanta sir is. I'm good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? See, the updates are we already discussed in all the meetings. The updates are hello. The updates are
Yes.
there. Similar, there is no update which is recently we have came up. All newsletter has been discussed in this platform. The only thing is that I do attend other meeting also, okay, like other Telegram, but still found that some of the Telegram meeting still is having some kind of I don't want to say, but misleading statements. So I don't know what to do and what our these things, there's other things are taking care out of it. It's okay, but only thing is that you have to be very true to the words which anybody asks, whatever questions that is. So we have to be very practical with the what can say the words which company use and we use. That word has to be downloaded towards all the people because we know that out of 100, 50, 60 members will understand the newsletter, but other they will rely to their upline to explain them in a very easy way. So that is good. Actually, they want to interact and they want all the information to be downloaded to them via any meeting or their upline. But we have to make sure that whatever the words we use according to the newsletter is supposed to be the same. We not supposed to mismatch or use our own sentence and words and make it a little bit confusing whatever the newsletter is saying and whatever we are downloading to the team. So I request to all the team leaders and all the mentors, all the admins, everyone, take care of it. I know everybody is doing, but still, in few, I can see that in few Telegram meeting, it's happening little bit. So we have to just make sure that each and everything, whatever question the members are asking in any Zoom meeting, has to be answered according to the newsletter. So that is my humble request. And whatever information has given over here is just a collective information and according to the newsletter. We are not pushing our words and giving 100% assurance from our side, saying that this will happen, that will happen. But we are discussing the newsletter to everybody so that they can understand in their own language, in their own way. So that is the thing, and we are doing it. Hope other other member, other meetings also understand the value of this newsletter and they give the correct information to everyone. Thank you. Let's take questions if anybody is having. Thank you, Sumanta sir.
Thank you very much, Rakesh sir. We are here to upgrade ourselves from the newsletter, not from anybody, not from any leader, not from members of JAA Lifestyle. If anybody is giving any dates of real ad view, then he is responsible for that. He will be responsible for that. So everybody, let me inform that nobody should give the real ads date from their own. This is the great. It should be taken into account that you should be updated from the newsletter itself, not from yourself. Not from of your own. You are saying something to your members. Then you will be only responsible for that. Okay. Thank you very much, Rakesh sir. And let us welcome Om Prakash Soni. Do you have any
Hello,
question?
sir.
Yes.
Sir, hello. Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good morning.
आवाज आ रही सर मेरी?
Yes. Yes.
सर मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि अभी जो अपने पास ऑफर चला हुआ है, अभी जो केवाईसी करेगा उसको 3 केवाईसी पर्सन मिलेंगे, तो सर जो पहले ईया की तरफ से जो ऑप्शन चला हुआ था वो अभी चल रहा है या वो खत्म हो गया है? डेमो एड टाइम के जो चल रहा था.
I will speak in English only. The question is question by Om Prakash Soni. He is a members of JAA Lifestyle and he is asking whether the offer of 1 referral and 3 referral, 1 referral from the free member and the 3 referral from the personal verified member, is this offer is still available in this system? I can tell you what I have information that as the newsletter suggested that we are in the period of real ads, as it is written in the newsletter of 1st of August, that since last days some of our members have been watching their real ads. That means we all are in the period of real ads, and EHA assured us. EHA has already assured us that to have our current potential income or stipulated current potential income, irrespective of our actual ad view. That means our target is 365 into 60 per year. That is our set of targets. And let me inform you that even in the newsletter it is written, this offer, the 1 referral and the 3 referral offer is still valid up to the real ads. When the real ads will start, this offer will be invalid. So I don't know actually the exact dates when the real ad started, but I can assure you, I can inform you, can say, not assurance, I can inform you that we, as we are in the real ad period, so I think there is no any offer. If the offer is still going on, that's okay, but we should not convey all this offer to our members that it is still there. Even we have been we are watching in the dashboard of EHA that still 1 referral and 3 referral is showing. But I don't know actually it is there or not. But as the newsletter suggested before, till the real ad views, this offer will be valid, and after the real ad view, the offer will be invalid. So it is up to us how we understand it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And any question from and let us welcome. We have Dr. Davinder sir, and he had informed every information about the JAA Lifestyle, and he had actually informed us about the Alexa ranking. And Davinder sir, may I help you if you screen share all these things, and I can help you to elaborate all these things. What you have? Are you ready?
Thank you, Sumanta.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
I am ready for Alexa ranking and all that information. The company JAA Lifestyle
First
Thank
of
you.
all, thank you very much for joining this meeting, Malaysian JA Lifestyle member and the Nigerian, our friends. We are not a face-to-face meeting, just the device meeting. It's a nice meeting. Thank you for joining us. We are appreciate to my country in JA Lifestyle meeting. Mrs. Sheila ma'am and Shiri and Mudassir Mana, welcome to all our meeting. We are very happy to join this meeting for your precious time for us. Thank you very much. Welcome. We are ready for screen share in Alexa ranking and all those.
Yes, Davinder sir, you just go on your screen sharing and I will explain and I will help you.
Yes.
No
yes,
problem.
Yes, Manta sir. We are showing Alexa ranking in screen share.
Yes. Let me inform you. Let me inform all of you this Alexa ranking. We were at 9,934 in the 21st of July 2021, and now in 24th of August we have been increased. That means we have upgraded to almost around 2,500 companies. We have just
Can you see the screen share, Manta
yes,
sir?
video is only available for first 30 participants. It is written. Okay, you just continue.
Are you showing?
I am not watching. I think Rakesh sir, can you help him? Rakesh sir, are you?
Yeah, it is visible. Yes.
Yes, but I am not able to see. Okay, Rakesh sir, you just help him.
Okay.
Are you showing, Samantha sir? Now?
No, it is written.
Only your
Participants.
not
Okay.
coming.
Okay. No problem. You go ahead. Davinder sir, go ahead. No problem.
This is the Alexa ranking for July, 23 July 2021. It go on
It's
not visible now. Not visible now.
Okay.
Okay.
Rakesh sir.
Reconnect. Yes, it's
Okay.
not coming. Only your image is coming, sir. Lavender, sir. So, you
But
reconnect.
I am showing in the screen share there my device.
Yeah, it's showing, but here we can only see your.
Okay, I am quit and join again. That shall I shall problem is solved.
Yes. Yes, reconnect.
Sir, please continue.
Yes. Jitendra sir, do you want to speak something?
Devinder sir is there again.
Okay.
Now I am showing screen.
Now, yes, it came now.
Thank you, sir.
This
is
Alex.
the screenshot.
Yes.
This is the screenshot of 23 July 2021. Is the Alexa ranking of JA Lifestyle 4952. That's the JALifestyle.com information. Is Alexa ranking 9452. Globally on Alexa ranking, this is the 23 July. Within a month, now I can show your current Alexa ranking. So are you see the screenshots, sir?
Yes,
Mamata, sir?
Yes.
This is the currently JAA Lifestyle
ranking is 7249 globally on Alexa ranking. I have beat the 23 companies in the world in Alexa ranking within a month. This is our great opportunity. That's why I'm more traffic in the JA lifestyle in website, and seeing the our advertisement. Also, this is the great opportunity. We are working in JA lifestyle.
That means our rank updated from 9,000 to 7,000. That's a great news. We have we are in a different you can say in a different prospect of since July 2023. That means we are really going forward. We are in the right direction. We are in a positive direction. Okay, sir. Davinder sir, continue.
We are checking in the registration in UK government site. Let me explain.
Okay.
Now I am in government in UK site. Can you see House of Companies Services? This is UK government site. Or let me check. gov.uk. This is government of UK website, official website. I am in website. Then I am check the JAA lifestyle in government of UK. We are go to check in. Are you see in services? Click the service. Click the service. Click the service. And
it is coming.
And services. After that, we are getting company information. Get information about a company. Are you see there? Get information about the company. So then click on get information. Now you can see the next page and start now. As you see, start now.
Yes.
Then click the start now. This is the column in search here. Then I am typing in JA lifestyle, only JA lifestyle. Then I am searching. You can see the JA Lifestyle Limited company. Our registration number 1275268 incorporated on 19 July 2020, 37th floor, 1 Canada Square, London, England, E14A85. This is the address of the JA Lifestyle company. It is registered in government in UK, House of Company. This is the website in company's house. That's the why don't select in the company just JA lifestyle or and we are showing in MCA registration in India now. I am typing in mca.gov.
That means along with UK government, Indian government, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs is also authorized this JAA lifestyle. So not in UK only. Yes.
The Indian website, Ministry of Corporation Affairs. You can see the logo in Government of India. Let's see. We are in India registration. MCA services. We are MCA service and LLP service. LLP service. check the LLP name.
Along with this, Davinder sir, I request you to show Amazon and Google also along with JAA Lifestyle. That's in that manner, everybody will be clear that yes, whatever you are showing in Ministry of Corporate Affairs are correct.
Sure. Yeah. This is the site of check LLP name. I am typing in Amazon. Amazon.com. It's the search button is here. That's why I'm showing Amazon Commercial Private Limited. You can see LLP number U5 1109 WB 205 PCT C10658 is the company name Amazon Commercial Limited West Bengal incorporated 8 December 2005 and allocated name or this is the issue date. Then I am checked in Google. Google.com.
For every company who are registering in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, they are really great companies and they are doing business in India. So whoever
I'm showing Google Capital Advisor India Private Limited, Google Ceramics Private Limited, Google Cloud India Private Limited, Google Connect. Although the all LLP number showing in the screen, which state Google allocated Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka, Haryana, Bihar, and all the allocated. Now I am checked in the JAA Lifestyle type JAA Lifestyle. Then I am search in button. Let's see the LLP number of JAA Lifestyle. You can see U74999KA 2020 PTC 141790. This is the LLP number in MCA Corporation Limited. The company name is Jaha Lifestyle India Private Limited and state is Karnataka. Incorporated date 3rd December 2020 and the status is allocated. So this is the showing in MCA Corporation in the registered number and issue in the PAN card number, all that the GST number, all of JA Lifestyle Company document. We are now we are checking the server. Now we are checking the server.
Now we are looking after the servers, different servers of JAA Lifestyle, EHA, and as well we have different server in Google's, Amazon. We will see all the servers. Devinder sir, continue. Now Devinder sir is going to the servers. What are the servers status of different companies? Okay, sir.
Check server SSL report. We are going to SSLplab.com server check. You can see SSL server test. So we are typing. I'm typing in Amazon.com. You can see Amazon.com. Then I am submit. This is the 3 server of Amazon in advertisement servers in Amazon. You can see 3 server ready, ready. 3 server in ready, and this is the grade in the B. Grade in the B Amazon server. Let's see we are check server in Facebook. I am tapping facebook.com. Submit. Only 2 servers in Facebook. You can see facebook.com in only 2 servers in the world through advertisement based plan. The grade is B. Only 2 servers. Amazon got 3 servers. Facebook get 2 servers only. Just we are checking in Google server in advertisement. You can see google.com server, only 2 server. This is grade in B. You can see in my screen. Let's see, cross fingers. Let's see. I am checking in JAA Lifestyle server in advertisement. Submit.
That means Google is having 2 server, Amazon is having 3 server. Then we are going to only JAA Lifestyle. Let us see how many servers are there installed in JAA Lifestyle.
Samantha sir, Facebook also too.
Yes.
This is the 6th server in JAA Lifestyle on my screen. 6th server working in advertisement base. Let's see, grade not showing grade is not showing now, but I am still checking in the grade B also. This is the showing in please wait. You can see.
Devendraji's side is buffering, so you still have to wait for some time.
Yes. We can see in the 6th server in JAA Lifestyle. So thank you very much, Sumanta
That's
sir.
great.
Over to Mike, Mr. Sumanta sir, and we are
Thank you.
very thankful to with all our members. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Davinder sir from Punjab, and he was conveying all these details about Ministry of Corporate Affairs from the UK government, whether this JAA Lifestyle is listed or not, and it is listed, and it is also in the process of a public process to be a public limited company in London Stock Exchange. And as we have been informed in our newsletter before, that we are definitely launching very soon our JA coins, and also our future share will be converted to our real shares after it is listed in public in London Stock Exchange as a public limited company. And along with that, Dr. Davinder sir informed us about the server. You see the number within number 10s, the world the number 10s companies, those world rank companies, those are having only 2 server or 3 servers, and we are in that company which is not yet launched. We are having 6 servers. That means if we mix up Google, Amazon, and Flipkart, then we are if we mix all these 3 companies, and we can say that JA Lifestyle is a single company and is having the mix up of all these 3 companies. That means we are in such a great system, in such a great, you can say we are having so much great server that we can have our videos, we can have our ads, we can have our income, we can have our e-commerce business, we can have our club cultures, everything in a single system. That's why for this vision, to making people financially free, the vision and the mission is also there, and objectives also there. For all these things, the company already they have convinced before that yes, we are doing a different thing, we are doing a great thing. For that, they have installed 6 servers. This is not a small thing. Thank you, Davinder sir. Thank you very much for your explanation. And let us welcome any other questions from any members?
Yes,
We have.
Sumanta sir,
Yes.
I want to include one more thing. Devinder
Okay.
sir just shows us on 23rd of July, there is in Alexa ranking, our company ranking is 9,452. And in current situation, we are on the number of 7,249. So if we minus this figure, so it means we left 2,203 company left behind. So we are
Yes.
progressing in a very good way. So
Yes.
I mean, no doubt about anybody mind after that.
Yes.
So we are
Yes.
progressing in a very big way, sir. Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Davinder sir. He was informing us about all these things, and we have leaders. Welcome, leaders. If you have any words, Athas Sabji, welcome. If you want to say something, John TC, welcome. Welcome, John TC from Mizoram. Welcome. John TC, I have unmuted you. Please come.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Okay, I have one question, sir, actually regarding this 50 euro. And what's all about that? Means this is we must need to do this, we must need to invest 50 euro, or it is not that compulsory?
Yes, it is written already in our newsletter. This is not compulsory. This is voluntary. This is all involuntary. If you are if you are activating your account with 50 euro, you are going to have some extra benefit apart from your lifestyle account activation. That means for your if you are activating your lifestyle bonus lifestyle account, then you will have to purchase 30 euro of your lifestyle account. What you say, the pack of 30 euro of lifestyle pack. But now this 50 euro includes the lifestyle package. Apart from that, you will be entitled to 4 lifestyle magazine plus 1 personal verification voucher for your downline or from anybody in your downline. And apart from that, 5 sponsorship pack from EHA. That means this deal is between JAA Lifestyle, EHA, and also Nordic. These 3 companies have a great deal, and this deal is up to a limited period. That means if I go through if I'm not wrong, it will be up to 13th of September or 30th of September. I don't know. Let me go through the newsletter.
Yes, it is 30th of September, Sumanta.
30th of September, okay. Yes. Thank you, Rakesh sir. It is 30th of September. This combo pack is available. This is a limited period offer, and we should have take benefit about from this. And I can add some one more thing, that if you are purchasing first and then your downline are purchasing this combo pack, then you will be getting commission. If you are purchasing after your downline, then you are not able to get any commission from your downline. This is a condition put by the newsletter, and you should aware about this. And this combo pack is valid up to a month only. And this is not compulsory, this is voluntary.
Okay. Then, thank you. Regarding one more question, sir. Actually, regarding this, it was written that those who activate their PV, the company is going to give us free referral. Regarding this, actually, I want to know that they are going to give these people or just the money.
Actually, okay. Let us welcome Mudassir Mana from Nigeria. Can you answer this question, Mudassir Mana? Mr. Mudassir Mana.
What's the question, please?
Actually, the question is that regarding this company, those who, it is written on the top of that IHA that those who activate their PV, they are going to get this free referral from the company. And will this referral will be, our down will be, that means people, or they are going to give the money or people?
They will give people.
People.
Yes, people.
I just
They
want
are
to know
all
about.
sponsorship back. They are all sponsorship back. They will be, and it will be placed by
They will
IHA.
be on that sponsorship. Yes, on that sponsorship. Yeah.
Okay, then this is not, there is no term, right, sir? Actually, this is valid for 1 year or 2 years or whole time. This free referral the company is going to give, it is for 1 year or 2 years or the whole time. Means as long as
It
the
is for
company.
lifetime. It is for lifetime.
Lifetime. No, yeah, it's a lifetime. As long as the company exists, that thing exists.
Okay, just because I just asked my upline that regarding this, and he told me that actually he said that they're not going to give people. I think they are going to give, means one downline you're going to get this 240 rupees per day. I think they are going to give by money, not by the people.
Not by people, not by people, not by money.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for that. And one more question, just sir, one more question. I have one question is that I don't understand much regarding this cryptocurrency. What do we mean by this cryptocurrency?
Cryptocurrency, it's a blockchain technology. You see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. So one of the advantage of joining your lifestyle is that not only to give you share, not only to give you share, to give you money, but also they will give you coins, JAR coins. That is JAR lifestyle coin.
Okay.
From the look of things, if you look at the value of JAR lifestyle share now, it's €1. I think as of the day before yesterday, the value of JAR coin is 0.8 or 0.9. So if you buy package, at least 20 or 5, the 20 package or 10 package, if you buy 20, the JAR Lifestyle company will give you 100 JAR Lifestyle coin. That's JAR coin, which the company will soon be launched. It will be part of you see, we are in DeFi era, DeFi space, decentralized finance. That's where we are heading to from 2023 to 2027. That's why you see, sorry, without taking your time much, because I think you don't know cryptocurrency at all. Cryptocurrency is a virtual or decentralized finance, where you can, in the future, you can buy with the cryptocurrency through blockchain technology. You will not do it through banks. It's a blockchain. You open wallet, I have wallet, I will send you without banking. So JAR Lifestyle Coin offers JAR Lifestyle Coin, JA Coin, for its members, free of charge. Free of charge, I'm telling you. Which in the later, it will soon be €1. I think before it will be launched, it will be €1. At least if you have €1 in Nigerian currency, is 500. So one of the advantages JAR Lifestyle company has over other companies in the world, it gives you shares, it gives you JAR coin too. So that you not be behind in terms of decentralized finance space. Are you satisfied with the answers, or you need to know more?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your
Thank
precious
you.
time. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. You have explained clearly. You have explained clearly these lifestyle coins and shares. Thank you, Mudassir. And I would like to welcome Rabbani MD. Welcome. If you have any questions, Rabbani MD.
हेलो सर, गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Good afternoon.
सर ये 13 के बाद ये समर यूरोप में समर हॉलिडे चल रहे हैं ना सर? हेलो?
Yes.
हाँ, तो समर हॉलिडे चल रहे हैं ना सर? समर, हाँ सर, ये कंपनी तो स्टार्ट हुई सर, फिर रियल अर्थ कहीं को नहीं बता रहे अब। और क्या बोलो, समर हॉलिडे जो चल रहे हैं ना सर, ये स्कूल के हॉलिडे तो नहीं होते ना। समर हॉलिडे देने के वास्ते कंपनी तो चालू है, फिर चालू करना चलाना चाहिए ना। हाँ ना सर? हाँ, तो उसके बाद में, हाँ सर, यही मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि अब रियल आर्ट्स 13 के बाद कब स्टार्ट होते हैं? अब समर हॉलिडेज बोले ना, तो स्कूल हॉलिडेज तो नहीं होता ना सर समर हॉलिडेज करने के से। ये कंपनी तो चल रही है तो चलाना चाहिए ना, इसको समर हॉलिडेज बोल रहे ना फिर कंपनी चालू करके।
Yes. I would like to question. I am just questioning on behalf of Rabbani MD. He is asking.
sir.
Yes, he is asking why the company is not started the real ad view and why it is saying that we are in the European countries is in summer vacation. Why they are extending all this thing and why the company is delaying all their real ads. So may I request Mudassir Mana, please explain and put your answer.
Okay. The reason why the company does not start the real ad because before we reach 3 million, though our company on the ground ready to give their advance to Jia Lifestyle Company. So because, let me put it this way, as of then the company were not patient, wait for the Jia Lifestyle to reach the 3 million. Then they back out, they left. So assuming they did not left, we'll start, our people will have gone far, I'm telling you. So the real advert company that will give out the backup, the advert, now they resume. So God willing, 13 September, the company will start uploading their real ads and the people will start, God willing, before, let's say, we can say the date that will start, but very soon I will show you that the company will soon upload the ad.
Thank you, Mudassir Mana. Rabbani, I would like to add something more, that we are in the real ad period. No, you don't have to worry for that. As we have been informed by our newsletter, we are already in our real ad view period. That means IHA has assured us to give us our stipulated current potential income for a year. So if we are not watching our real ads, then also we are in a real ad period. Our meter is on. Our income meter is on. There is no problem. Our target is 365 into 60 ads per year for our current potential income. So we have to wait for that. And about the uploading, as the Mudassir Mana said, that yes, they have a fabulous deal. IHA has a fabulous deal with a great provider in Europe and is having thousands of advertising company. And apart from that, we are already having, IHA is having already thousands of companies, those who have registered in IHA, and they have funded. And apart from that, IHA is having a fabulous deal with a great provider in Europe. That is all about, and we have to wait for that. And great thing is coming. and we have achieved our 3 million target. And after that, EHA started collecting the advertising company, because the previous advertising agency got separated from us. They have taken back their hands from us. That was also a disadvantage for this real ad. And apart from that, as the pandemic is going on, this is also a great cause for all this thing, all this delaying. So we have to wait for that, and companies with us, and companies growing day by day. That means we are in a real system, we are in a great system, and we are going in a positive direction. So there is no need to worry. Thank you, Mudassir ji, and thank you, Rabani. Thank you, Mr. Mudassir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir, I have just one more question. Please, can I mention one more question? Actually, sir, what is the disadvantage or advantage of this watching this non-paid ads? Now we are watching non-paid ads. Is there any disadvantage if we do not watch, or if we watch? What is the advantage? Just I want to know about this.
No, there is no disadvantage at all. If we are going to our dashboard, we are watching our ads. This should be compulsory, and this should be the criteria for all our members. Because as we are in a real ad period, and as the newsletter suggested, apart from your 60 real ads, you have to watch your 10 non-paid ads. And for this, every member will be getting 1,200 euro current potential income. That will be upgraded from 1,000 euro. That means we are everybody in the system are going to get 1,200 euro of current potential income from 1,000 euro. They have suggested it, and we should by watching our ads, the advantage is there will be a traffic in EHA, so that advertisers will go through it and they will see, yes, there is a huge traffic in EHA, and we should upload the advertisement to this system, and we will be getting a much benefit out of it. So this is the real concern. There is no disadvantage. There is only advantage of watching your ads. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Actually, sir, suppose suppose due to I'm busy, I may miss one day or like 2 days, like that, and I continue again on the next day. Suppose if I miss 1 day or 2 days, will there be any disadvantage or some penalty from the company?
No, it's no problem. But we should be aware that we must compulsory. We must watch our ads. If it is, if we have not watch our ads for 1 day or 2 days, it is not a problem. But we should watch that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. We have. I would like to request our leaders, those who want to put some views. Okay, we have Mr. Dennis from Karnataka. Welcome. Are you free? If you want to say something about the update of JAA Lifestyle, you are welcome. Mr. Dennis from Karnataka. Okay. I think he's busy somewhere else.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Welcome, Mr. Dennis from Karnataka. If you want to speak something about the updates or any JAA Lifestyle related.
Yeah, everything update you are just mentioned, sir. I was just listening now, so very happy, to hear that and all. That's what somebody was asking that about non-paid ads, why we want to watch now, right? That's the question it is. So actually you said the right answer, because if you watch ads, that 10 non-paid ads,
So because we are generating a traffic, so however the Alexa, if you see the Alexa ranking, the IHA is having a good traffic, that daily many people are watching, ad viewing the 10 non-paid ads. And in that case, when the advertisers, when they check the Alexa ranking, for sure they check each and every advertiser. Oh, they know that. So people are visiting every day in IHA website, and they're watching the ads, so they will getting more confident, the advertisers. So we will get more and more, and like companies said, in future we will get 60 plus, I mean more than 70 ads, that way. That's we are going to increase our income potential income. So that's a very good news. And our whatever that 2.74 euro, it might be increased more than that, 3 or 4 in future, we never know. But as soon as the more advertisers are coming, more and more, so that's a very good sign. And that's why even if we need to log in every day in Jaleftel also, go to the Google and Jaleftel, log in at least 1 or 2 times. So that's the traffic generates, so people will come to know whenever they check in a Google, they know they will come in Alexa ranking, or there are so many traffic in Jaleftel, IHA. So that's what it is, the traffic generates. So we need to know all the the advertisers, that this is the one of the best platform, IHA and Jaleftel. And even the one thing I want to mention, that in the Facebook, if you see any negative comments, or in YouTube, or just give them the reply, just make it that hashtag Jaleftel 100% legal company. So just making sure that we need to support now. As soon, however, in the last newsletter, it's already mentioned that if you don't want to post any negative, just keep quiet, just keep silent. If you want to post something, post it positive. So it will be very happy for the company and for the advertisers. They will come, they will come. And before any advertisers, anybody, they will check the review first. The people comments from the people. What are the comments? Whether it is real or something. So that's what it is. Companies clearly mentioned. Please, if you want to write something, just write it positive, or just keep silent. The company is doing their job step by step, and we know that this is a great company. So we need to be proud about that. So that's what I want to say, that, if you see, because most of the people are using Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, if you see any negative comment, just reply them, just write it, that hashtag Jaleftel 100% legal company, hashtag IHA, something like that, So it will be giving good support for the company, and also for the advertisers. When they see the review, they will be getting more confident, and we will get more and more advertising, So that's what I want to say, sir. And whatever whatever I wanted to say, you already told just now. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me to talk 2 minutes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dennis from Karnataka. I would like to request Ms. MD Javed, Mohammad Javed. Can you unmute, please? You have raised your hand. MD Javed. Welcome. Mr. MD Javed. And I want to inform another thing. Our social media head is from Nigeria. He is Mr. Daniel. Do you know Mr. Mudassir Mana? Do you know him, Mr. Daniel?
Yes, I know Mr. Daniel. I know.
That's a great news. Okay. MD Javed, do you want to speak something? Then you can unmute yourself. Sila ma'am, can you conclude this meeting? Sila ma'am, can you conclude this meeting?
Okay, Smita will have a next meeting. Share the link with
Sila ma'am, are you there?
Speak and understand English. Thanks for coming, everyone. Stay positive, be patient, have faith. we are not going to get scammed by our lifestyle. Just pray it daily, and I hope this thing will work for all of us. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Samantha. Thank you for your time.
Yes,
Great
thank you
news,
very
good
much.
news. So much of infos today. Very nice to hear that. Okay,
Thank
bye.
you. We are going to conclude this meeting. Thank you, Mr. Danis, Rakesh sir, Davinder sir, Jitendra Thakur, and Mudasir Mana, and Sika ma'am, Sila ma'am, and everybody, Satya sir, everybody, thank you for joining this voice chat. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Manta sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
Manta sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumanta ji.
Thank you.